finished machine workshopper to help our customer to test his machine before delivery. So now, here this customer orders four sets shearing machine. Now we are here in our workshop to help him to test for the machines. For our RONGWIN, we will, before delivering the machines, we will test all machines one by one for customers. Now, today's here, we want to also give some other customer more details and images about our shearing machine. At the same time, we help our customer to test this machine for him. Okay, now let's start to introduce step by step. This is one set of 18mm thickness shearing machine. Now here we have four sets. We have four sets. Two sets 8mm thickness and two sets 12mm thickness. Look, all our machines is ready, working. It's for the testing. Usually we test about 2 days before delivery. All the machine is ready and ready for test. We test step by step. Okay, now let's give you all the details about our RONGWIN machines. Usually we tell our customer we can supply machines more high accuracy, and we design all details according to custom requirement. Look at our firstly, I give you some introduce about these machines. Then we will teach you how to operate this machine. Here is this machine, operator cabinet. Here is oil pump start. Stop. This is oil pump start. Start working. This is power switch. Power switch. If we oil pumper off, the machine start work. If you want the machine continue work, oil pumper start. Now we will put the switch limits the machine because now the machine is in a test, so we adjust the machine in continuous mode, so it automatically cut up and down to test the machines. Here is electric controller system switch, open and off. This is the light switch, light. Look at, this is very convenient for you to cutting the metal sheet and the straight line. Here is for the shearing angle. This is the main difference between our guillotine type and swing beam shearing machine. We can adjust the shearing angle according to your metal sheet thickness. And here is the accumulate fitting and discharging button. This is also for nitrogen fitting and nitrogen discharging. After some years, maybe the nitrogen is leak or not enough, so that we can first use the open. This is a switch. After we deliver the machine, we will off this switch, and in our hydraulic valve, then we open. We can discharge accumulator first. Then we make the blades down so that it's safe for us maintenance or make a nitrogen fitting. Here is nitrogen fitting button. Okay, now this is machine details. Look at our also other designs for the machines because our custom also have a very safety requirement for the machine. So look at this machine. We make a safety requirement for our customer. If we start here, the machine stop working. the machine stop working, so that we should restart the oil pump again and start the machine. Okay, now oil pump start. We make the machine working. Machine start working, so that we can guarantee the machine safety. Okay, now we will teach you how to use these machines. Firstly, if we want to cut in a metal sheet, we should make sure two factors, such as this metal sheet is around 4 mm thickness. Firstly, we adjust the knife clearance in the right. The black light is this side is big, this side is smaller, so that now we will make it. Okay, now the clearance is right. We also adjust the shearing blade. If we want a very easy to adjust it, you can choose our CC controller. This is our NC controller. So you adjust to the biggest shearing angle. Biggest is more better.
That's okay.
Okay, now we will start to cut in this metal sheet. First, we give you some introduction about this controller. This is E21 NC controller. This controller have 40 programs. Each programs have 25 steps. Okay, now we start is use this controller. Okay, this controller just control X-axis. This is for the now back gauge position. If we want to change the position to such as we want to cut in 40, so that then we start cutting. Now our back gauge is 40. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Now look at our light line. Okay, now let's start. Okay, we finish. And we stop here. Now the machine stop working. We have safety. You will test it. Okay, that is a very perfect cutting. Okay, this is our other. This is another set of 12 mm thickness. Here is also 12 mm thickness metal shearing machine. This is 8 mm thickness shearing machine. Okay, now we have finished some test of our job for our custom. If you guys want some hydraulic guillotine shearing machine, please contact with us. We can give you very beautiful machines, high accuracy and safety design. Also, we can make all the machines according to your requirements. Okay, thank you.